Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So I had these dropped off a little while ago then. So backplate for a bobcat, so one big bracket then, and two forks. So need to make the framework for pallet forks for this. Just thought while I'm at it, I'll mark another set and center punch it ready for the next one really. Just it's easy to remember the measurements at the moment then. So finished drilling this and washed all the old oil off with degreaser so it's nice and clean now. The next job now is to get the grinder and cut down there and there to make all these holes into notches in. So I've started to clamp them in place now. So next job is to tack weld this there and there, and I can move this along a bit and tack it in another place. I need to do the same with plain one that goes on the bottom. So I tack this in place now. As I've said on previous videos, on this bottom one without the notches on it, I only stitch weld it, so you know, bit there, gap, a bit there, a gap, both sides in. This top one with the notches gets stitch welded on the underside like the other one, as you can see there, and it gets fully welded all the way across on the top side here. So the reason for this is the top side here is where all the strain is, so it's pulling on this top and it's pushing on the rest of the welds basically. So the rest of it doesn't have to be actually full length, but this top one needs to be. So sorry, I missed some stages there. So box sections are all level to a spirit level, then measured from corner to corner to make sure it's square as well. That was all welded up and a brace put in the middle as well. So took the brackets then, cut a chunk off each side to make it a better fit then, and put it on top of it. Got it just where I wanted it, tacked in place, and I'm just finishing off welding now. I just need to go around a couple of corners like there now, and one little piece inside. So just finish off now, putting weld inside here. Then I go around and do the little corners inside there sort of thing. So I've gone round it to a grinder and got rid of the sharp edges. Nice now. With bobcat brackets, it's better to lean them forward like this, same as a bucket, so you get plenty of movement to tip it backwards. That's flat. As you can see, there's plenty of curl backwards now. So that's this job done with. I don't think I've actually made two forks yet that are actually the same, this being bobcat only. Thank you for watching. That's it from me for now then.